For my project, I'm analyzing the hip and knee joint during walking. Phase 1 starts with the subject standing straight with both legs extended. It then ends in this position where you can see flexion of the thigh occurring at the hip at the acetabulo-femoral joint and extension of the leg at the knee occurring at the tibiofemoral joint. The movers allowing flexion of the thigh at the hip include the iliopsoas muscles and the tensor fasciae latae, which contract concentrically, and the antagonists are the gluteus maximus and adductor magnus, which have an eccentric contraction. The movers allowing extension of the leg at the knee are the quadricep muscles, which include the vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius, vastus medialis, and rectus femoris, which contract concentrically, and the antagonists are the hamstring muscles, including the biceps femoris and semitendinosus, which have an eccentric contraction. Phase 2 starts in the same position that Phase 1 ends, with flexion of the thigh at the hip and extension of the leg at the knee. And Phase 2 then ends in this position where you can see extension of both the thigh at the hip and leg at the knee. The movers allowing extension of the thigh at the hip are the biceps femoris and the gluteus maximus, which contract concentrically, and the antagonist is the rectus femoris, which passively lengthens. The movers allowing extension of the leg at the knee are the quadricep muscles, which concentrically contract, and the antagonist is the biceps femoris, which passively lengthens. Phase 3 starts in the same position Phase 2 ends, with extension of both the thigh at the hip and leg at the knee, and Phase 3 then ends in this position with flexion of the thigh at the hip and flexion of the leg at the knee. The movers of flexion of the thigh at the hip are the rectus femoris and iliopsoas muscles, which concentrically contract, and the antagonists are the gluteus maximus and biceps femoris, which eccentrically contract. The movers of flexion of the leg at the knee is the biceps femoris, which has a concentric contraction, and the quadricep muscles are the antagonists, which passively lengthen. Thanks for watching.